Leg workout. Exercise 1. Welcome back. Today, we're building strong legs starting with lever leg extension. Keep your back straight and drive through your heels. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 2. Moving on to cable hip adduction thighs. Control the weight on the way down and avoid locking your knees. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 3. Next up is the lever chair squat thighs. Squeeze your quads at the top for maximum definition. Do 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 4. Now let's do Smith leg press thighs. Focus on your hamstrings and keep the movement slow and steady. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Exercise 5. Exercise 5 is the barbell front squat hips. If you're finding these workouts helpful, please subscribe to Fit Motion for more daily fitness guides.